Welcome home.
Really happy to get here.
Yeah, where you will place this motorcycle? Where you will place this motorcycle?
Well, initially I was thinking I would just pull the Prius out because it could use getting rained on because it's got
Yeah.
so many plugs on it.
Yeah.
And I pull this in there because I need the right rear turn signal stops blinking, so I need to pull the lens off, see what kind of light bulbs in there, and yeah, then
Road
poke around otherwise.
Road King.
What's that?
Road King, the name.
Road King, yeah. Yeah, 2004 Harley Davidson Road King.
That's cool.
So it's a nice riding bike.
Yeah.
Feels real good.
It's pretty.
Yeah. Yeah, it's retro kind of styling. So they put lots of chrome on it. And you know, it looks like what the police would use, only they would have black and white.
Yeah.
And how they used to have like passengers riding these things, and they were even used in the military.
Oh, the crash bar or something?
Yeah, yeah.
It's not chrome. Yeah.
No, this one's black. Yeah. There's some other ones down here.
Yeah.
This side, the saddlebags would get torn up if you laid it down. And,
So this is.
yeah, now careful. This is extremely hot.
Oh.
But yeah, these are the foot pegs for the
Okay,
passenger.
so this is for me. If I
right.
am a passenger. Okay.
Yeah.
This is first time for me
Backrest.
have a Harley Davidson.
Yes. Yeah, I told you, try and remember what it was
Yeah.
like. in,
I think it's really different, you know.
big time, big time. Yeah, your little motorcycles you would run around in Indonesia, and they were common. Honda sold a lot of little bikes like that in the early 60s to the early 70s, and it'd be a couple hundred pounds.
Yeah.
Pretty easy to move around, you know, but you couldn't really go above like 40 miles an hour. They were town bikes. And,
Yeah, that's small.
Yeah.
Can you imagine? I fell with the motorcycle in the canal.
Canal, yeah. Well, this video I've got, how to ride like a pro, he would say, well, you're probably looking at the canal, and so you just inevitably went there, you know.
Could be two motorcycle actually. Two. Yeah, me and my friend. We still practicing.
Okay.
And then I don't know how it happened, but it happening. It's just like the last thing I remember is just like the motorcycle seems out of control, just go to the canal together.
And your friends also.
Yeah.
Multi-car.
And that's complete my phobia about it.
Yeah. I was looking for my glasses.
Mm.
I realized at a certain point that I didn't have mine, and let's see, it was in Arkansas. I think I just had to stop after I called you because it was like coming down really hard. I left that gas station.
Okay.
And it was just coming down so hard after maybe a mile or so. So I pulled off at another place, and then I finally stopped there, and I was able to continue on. But I realized when I put my doctor's
Hi, Gray. Hi, Gray. Hi, Gray. Yeah. See, this is not so Batsy. Or Batsy. Oh, this is Batsy. Batsy and not so Batsy. Now it's like follow Gray following me.
So Betsy is right around there.
Uh-huh.
Not so Betsy.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I think Gray has flea. Yeah. If I can hold her, yeah. So this is the motorcycle. It's new for us, and I'm happy, exciting about this. So I say goodbye and see you in the next maybe vlog. Subscribe, like, and share. Bye.